Hi, I'm Anthony with Right Word Right Now Communication Consulting. Did you know that year after year, companies keep naming effective communication as the skill they most want job applicants to have? Why? Because poor communication costs businesses money, lots of it. One massive survey of companies with more than 100,000 employees recently found that they lost a staggering $62.4 million per year on average because of inadequate communication between management and staff and between staff members and other employees. Even companies of just 100 employees reported losing an average of $420,000 per year because of poor communication. How does ineffective communication cost businesses money? Some of the damage is due to lost productivity because managers fail to adequately explain to their staff what tasks they should pursue, and staff fail to get adequate clarification from their bosses. A recent study by a leading PR firm found that nearly half of knowledge workers believed their senior executives were ineffective communicators, and only 58% of the employees surveyed felt they knew how to communicate with their leaders in a way that would get their leaders' attention. But the problem runs much deeper. As companies rely more and more on asynchronous, mostly written methods of communication with their employees, employee morale is dropping measurably. Employees report feeling unsure of what they are supposed to be doing, unsure what everyone else in the company is doing, and unsure how they can clarify what they should be doing. Demoralized employees underperform and eventually they leave. And companies pay the cost in time and money spent on recruiting, hiring, and training new staff to replace the people who left. At the same time, companies' increasing reliance on outsourced and automated customer service is leaving their customers frustrated and angry and eroding brand loyalty. What's the bottom line? Across industries, poor communication within companies and between companies and their customers is hurting productivity, damaging morale, and eroding customer loyalty. If bad communication is wrecking your business's bottom line, let's fix the problem now. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation. Together, we can solve your company's communication problems before they do more damage. Thank you.